Are you seeing my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Uh, Today I'm explaining about from our institute benefits. What are the institute benefits and what we provide to each and every student. So this is that class only. And wait 5 more minutes, or else I'll start the session. And there are few people to be joined. Okay. I think sir already told you that what is the main advantage of the SaaS and what are the different industries they are using the SaaS. I'll show you that. So guys, this is a SaaS icon or logo. This is called as SaaS icon or logo. One second. Okay. Okay, these are the different sectors where they are using the SaaS in the market. You can just check it once, see it once. So these are the different sectors where using the SaaS in the market, like automotive industries, education industries, government, health insurance, healthcare, hospitality, life sciences, insurance. So like this. Okay. One second. So these are the different industries where we are using the SaaS in the market. So let's see here. Yeah, these are the different industries where we are using the SaaS in the market. Okay, guys. So automotive industries, education, life sciences, media, oil and gas, retail. Okay, healthcare providers, hospitality and management, like this. So these are the different industries where we are using the SaaS in the market. So anybody having any idea why we are using the SaaS in the market? So in the market, we're having a lot of softwares for data analysis purpose. Then why you are using the SaaS? Anybody having any idea? మీరు SaaS ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నారు? Anybody having any idea why you are using the SaaS?
Because SaaS leads us the four features of SaaS: data access, management, analyze, and reporting. So there is hardly any software which is available which has all these four
Yeah, fine.
features.
Yes, that's one also fine. And moreover, that is the SaaS functionality of the SaaS. And here I'm asking the question is, so why we are using the SaaS in the market? Why SaaS?
To analyze the data.
Data security.
Second, security.
So we're having like different softwares also be there available in the market for to analyze the data. That why SaaS?
So it is updated fourth generation
Yes, updated fourth generation language. Fine.
and and has vast area of marketing, retail,
Yes.
banking,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
clinical SaaS.
Yes. Yeah. Fine. Shall I tell? Yeah. So why the SaaS means the first one is the security purpose. So SaaS is mainly using for the security purpose. SaaS is majorly using for the data analysis purpose. SaaS is majorly used for data analysis purpose. So what is meant by data analysis? In your idea, what is meant by data analysis? To analyze the data, right? To analyze the data, that is called as the data analysis. For that purpose, I'll give a small example for that. Data analysis, I'll give a small example. Like I think everybody have hear about the Geo, right? Geo,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Geo Money first they are initially initiated into the market. He will provide like 6 months for free of cost, right? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First మనకి Geo market లో వచ్చినప్పుడు 6 months మనకి ఫ్రీగా ఇచ్చారు. Then after he start charging per month as a 49 rupees. In the 6 months time, he start the data analysis on that. Like ఎంతమంది ఏ పోర్ట్ నుంచి ఎంతమంది జియో వాడుతున్నారు customers. Okay, if once he change the fee also, like free version నుంచి ఈ paid version పెట్టిన ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు. So he start the data analysis on that like network, on Geo network. ఓకే 6 months ఆ డేటా అందరిని కలెక్ట్ చేశాడు ఎంతమంది వాడుతున్నారు ఎంతమంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అనేది. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ హీ స్టార్ట్ ఛార్జింగ్ ప్రైసింగ్ అప్పటిదాకా ఫ్రీగా ఇచ్చిన person they will provide this right starting at 49 rupees per month. Then after he'll start like 99. Then after he start 199. Now he's the 249. So what is the here? What he did here in the market? He start the analysis on that. ఎంత మంది customers other numbers నుంచి కొట్టారు. That is called the data analysis. Understand guys? ఆ డేటాని గ్యాదర్ చేసుకున్నాడు. లైక్ 49 రూపీస్ పెట్టినా లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10 crores మెంబర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను అనుకోండి. సో 10 crores లో 10 crores మారలేదు. సో హీస్ పుట్ లైక్ 49 రూపీస్ ఉంది. Like then after he start like increasing like 99 rupees. 99 rupees యూజ్ చేసినా సరే కస్టమర్స్ చేంజ్ అయ్యలేదు. So then after he'll start increasing the prices. So here what he did previously he did the data analysis on the customers data. ఎంత మంది వాడుతున్నారు, ఎంత మంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, that he did previously. So that is the main advantage of the SaaS. So SaaS is by using for the data analysis purpose only. Then in the market we're having like different softwares. Those are like big data. I think most of them listen these tools. Big data, Hadoop, R language, Python. So guys, these are the these are the data analysis tools. But why we are using the SaaS means SaaS is the one and only licensed secure data analysis tool. These four tools are the open source tools. Open source means ఏంటంటే లైక్ మీకు పైథాన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావాలనుకోండి నెట్లోకి వెళ్తే డైరెక్ట్ పైథాన్ కూడా మీకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డౌన్లోడ్ అయిపోయింది. ఆర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కావాలంటే ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ సెర్చ్ ద ఆర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఈజీలీ. So that's why those softwares called as a open source tools. So open source tools can hack by easily by any others. Open source tools అనేవి ఎవరైనా హ్యాక్ చేస్తారు ఈజీగా. But coming to the point of the SaaS was not hacked by anyone. దాని ఫైర్వాల్స్ అంత గట్టిగా ఉంటాయి. When compared to other softwares, SaaS is the secure license software. అందుకని మేజర్గా SaaS వాడతారు. Understand guys? So that is the main purpose we are using the SaaS in the market. And second one is SaaS is called as a multi-vendor architecture. SaaS is called as a multi-vendor architecture. Multi-vendor architecture means SaaS can use in any type of operating system. SaaS can use in any type of operating system with respect to of the hardware requirements. That's why SaaS is called as a multi-vendor architecture. Operating system means like Windows OS, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows XP. Okay, guys, these are called as an operating system. SaaS can use any type of operating system with respect of the hardware requirements. That's why SaaS is called as a multi-vendor architecture. That is called as a SaaS is a multi-vendor architecture. And third one is SaaS is called as a multi-database architecture, guys. SaaS is called as a multi-database architecture. What is meant by database? Anybody having any idea? Database ante?
For storage of data.
Yes, exactly. Where do you store the data is called as a database, right? Where you store the data is called as a database. You can just check here. These are the different types of databases. These are the different types of databases. See here. One is Oracle type database. I think manaki already andariki idea about all of them idea about like Excel, MS Word, Notepad. Ivi matram telusu manaki. Like those are the regular we are using in the our market. మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా వాడతాం కదా, లైక్ ఎక్సెల్, విండోస్ వర్డ్, ఎంఎస్ వర్డ్, ఇవన్నీ మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా వాడే సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్. సో వేర్ యూ స్టోర్ ద డేటా ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ డేటాబేస్. సో ఇన్ ద SaaS we're having different types of database files are there. These are the different types of database files. మనకు తెలిసిందంటే ఎక్సెల్ అండ్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్, ఈ రెండు తెలుసు. సో these are the other types of databases also. Why we are using the SaaS in the market is SaaS can read any type of database file into its application. SaaS అనేది ఇంకా ఎందుకు ఉంది మార్కెట్ లో? ఇట్ వాజ్ SaaS వాజ్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ 1960 నుంచి వాడుతున్నారు SaaS. సో SaaS దట్స్ వై SaaS is called as fourth generation programming language. Understand guys? So why it was still in the market means that's the reason only. SaaS can read any type of database file into its application. SaaS అనేది ఎటువంటి any type of file, any type of format it can read. Okay, that's the reason only we are using the SaaS in the market. So these are the major reasons why we are using the SaaS in the market. If anybody comes and asks why you are choosing the SaaS means you have to tell like this. So it's a security data analysis software. Okay, it's called as a multi-vendor architecture and it's called as a multi-database architecture. Understand guys? So and when compared to and moreover it will give the output basis like SaaS will give the exact functionality for all the things. SaaS లో అన్ని ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి లైక్ రిపోర్టింగ్, అనాలిసిస్, Okay, and data management. So everything will be done under SAS programming session only. So what are those functionality? So these are 4 steps are done by SAS only. Don't have any other software for this purpose. మనకు అన్ని ఒక చోట ఎక్కడ ఉండవు. డేటాను యాక్సెస్ చేయడం అండ్ డేటాను మేనేజ్ చేయడం, డేటా మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ డేటా అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈజ్ డేటా ప్రెజెంటేషన్. ఓకే, ఈ ఫోర్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో అవైలబిలిటీ ఉండవు. దట్స్ వై SAS ఇస్ ద 4th జనరేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ మనకి ఎక్కడ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉండవు. అందుకనే SAS ని మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద SAS ఓన్లీ. కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మర్ సైడ్, SAS ఇస్ ద FDA అప్రూవ్డ్ టూల్. మనకి FDA అప్రూవల్ అంత ఈజీ ఏం కాదు. సో SAS మాత్రమే ఇప్పుడు దాకా FDA అప్రూవ్ అయింది. అందువల్ల వెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్మర్ సైడ్ లో 99.9% they are using only SAS. They're using only SAS. So we don't have any other alternative software in the pharma field. So 99.9% they are using the only SAS. So why? Because of SAS is a FDA approved tool also. Okay guys, is it clear everyone? Guys, is it clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is about the brief introduction about the SAS. So and moreover, SAS was giving the solution to this the different types of programmings. It will give the solution about the fraud management. It will give the business intelligence, okay, and risk management and supply chain intelligence and high performance, like different types of solutions was given by the SAS only. Okay, in every industries they are using the SAS. Okay. So I think Sir was already discussing with you related to these 4 functionalities: data access, data management, data analysis, and data presentation. Sir is discussing with you or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
yeah, fine. I'll discuss the 4 steps. And actually today Sir was not came. So just I'll take a brief session and parallelly I'll explain about our insured benefits, what are those and everything. So coming about, yeah. Who is this? Yeah, and coming to the point of myself, my name is Narendra. I'm the director of Stances. So today I'm giving just a brief introduction about our insured benefits and parallel like a brief demo about the SAS only. Okay, fine. So this is the reasons why you are using the SAS in the market. So mandatory you have to know before, if you want to learn any software. So before that you have to know the features of that software. Whatever if you have to learn, whatever it may be, not only the SAS, any software, if you want to learn before it, you have to know about that completely. Understand guys? And I'll explain about functionality of the SAS. So functionality of the SAS having majorly 4 steps. One is data access, and the second one is data management, and the third one is data
Analysis.
analysis, and fourth one is
Data presentation. Data presentation.
presentation. So guys, so these are the 4 functionality of the SAS. First one is data access. What is meant by data access? Data access means you have to just import the raw data into the SAS application, is called as a data access. You have to just import the raw data into the SAS application. Any type of data, whatever it may be. You have to just import the data, raw data, nothing but called as a raw data. You have to just import the raw data into the SAS application, is called as a data access. Import the raw data into SAS application is called as a data access. Is it clear guys, everyone? Guys, is it clear about data access?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Put the raw data into the SAS application is called, yeah, Naresh, tell me. Yeah, you have to just import the raw data into the SAS application, is called as a data access. Understand guys? And the second one is data management. What is meant by data management? You have to just convert the shape of the data. We have to just convert the shape of the data required by the application, is called as a data management. I'll show you. So in the given data, in the given raw data, the format will be like this. ఇలా ఉంది మనకి format. Understand? So we have to just convert the raw data into, required format, like this format. So the client was asked,
Segregate data.
yeah, that is called as data management. మనకి ఆ client ఆ format లో ఇచ్చారు, మనకి client ఈ data అనేది ఈ format లో ఇచ్చారు. So we have to just convert the data into this format. This is called as data management. Required by the application. We have to just convert the shape of the data required by the application. మనకి application output లో ఎలా కావాలనుకున్నామో, we have to just convert the data into that format. That is called as a data management. Understand, guys? So, and the third step is data analysis. Data analysis means we have to just convert the raw data. We have to just convert the raw data into meaningful or useful information. Raw data into meaningful or useful information by using some statistical calculations. By using some statistical calculations is called as a data analysis. Is it clear, guys? This is the major step that was involved in the SAS. Okay, అన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లో అన్ని యాక్సెస్ లో ఉండవు. కొన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లో ఓన్లీ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ ద ఇంపోర్టింగ్ పర్పస్. కొన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో దే ఆర్ డన్ ఇన్ ద ఓన్లీ డేటా అనాలిసిస్. ఓకే, కొన్ని సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లో మాత్రమే వీఆర్ డన్ ఇన్ ద డేటా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఆల్సో. సో అండ్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఇస్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
we have to just convert the raw data into meaningful or useful information by using some statistical calculations is called as a data analysis. And the fourth one is data presentation. What is meant by data presentation? Whatever you did in this data analysis, you have to just give the output to the end user. Give the output to the end user. Is called as a data presentation. Clear? So I'll explain once again. Please listen carefully. First one is data access. Data access means you have to just import the raw data into the SAS application is called as a data access. Okay, and data management means you have to just convert the shape of the data required by the application is called as a data management. Understand? One second. So data management means you have to just convert the shape of the data required by the application is called as a data management. And third step is data analysis. Data analysis means you have to just convert the raw data into meaningful or useful information by using some statistical calculations. As అంటే కదా స్టాటిస్టికల్ అనాలిసిస్ సిస్టమ్, దాంట్లో కొన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ వాడి we have to just convert the raw data ni we are using into convert into meaningful or useful information. That is called as a data analysis. And simply. And fourth step is data presentation. Data presentation means you have to just give the output to the end user. మనం ఏదైతే data analysis లో చేసామో we have to just give the output to the end user. That is called as a data presentation. Clear, guys? Yes, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so this is briefly about the SAS session. Now I mean coming to the point of insured benefits, what we provide, and coming to the point of other insureds and our insured. So what are the differences? So insured benefits ఏమంటాయంటే we're coming to the point of insured benefits. So first one is free classes. Free classes means what are those? So free class అంటే ఏంటంటే మనం along with the SAS అనేది ఏ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అని చెప్తారు. So coming to the point of our institute, we are providing the SAS along with the SAS. We are providing some free classes. What are those? So one is SQL. One is SQL, and second one is Unix. Third one is Linux, and the fourth one is Excel, and fifth one is Excel VBA, and sixth one is soft skills. So guys, coming to the point of here, SQL is a database language, Oracle database language. మనకి ఏంటంటే like what is the first step? Data access, right? We have to just import the raw data from the అవుట్సోర్స్ రైట్. మనం బయట నుంచి డేటాని SaaS లోకి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అన్ని ఫైల్స్ నార్మల్ ఫైల్స్ ఉండవు. ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ వీఆర్ ఇంపోర్ట్ ద ఫైల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సర్వర్ ఆల్సో. ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద Oracle సర్వర్ SQL. సో అది మన కంప్లీట్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ 30 అవర్స్ చెప్తాం మనం. ఓకే, అండ్ యూనిక్స్ అండ్ లైనక్స్ దోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్. లైక్ మనకి విండోస్ 10 ఎలానో, విండోస్ 10, విండోస్ 7 ఎలానో, దోస్ లైక్ విండోస్, యూనిక్స్ అండ్ లైనక్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఓన్లీ. అది కూడా మీకు ఒక 15 అవర్స్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, and Excel is a very important, and most of the companies and most of the like at anywhere we're using the Excel only for the data purpose. Majority మనకి డేటా అనేది ఎక్సెల్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ టీచింగ్ ఎక్సెల్. ఇది ఒక 30 అవర్స్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఫర్ రిపోర్ట్ జనరేషన్ అండ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీస్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద ఎక్సెల్ VBA. సో ఇవన్నీ మనకి మ్యాండేటరీ హ్యావ్ టు బి లెర్న్. ఇవి కూడా ఉంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ ద రెజ్యూమ్ కి మోర్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉంటుంది, వెయిటేజ్. ఓకేనా. అండ్ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ కూడా మనకి అరౌండ్ ఒక 20 క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి, 20 అవర్స్. ఓకే, మీకు SaaS వచ్చేసరికి కమింగ్ టు పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ SaaS సెషన్స్ మండే టు ఫ్రైడే ఉంటుంది. మండే టు ఫ్రైడే డైలీ 1 hour to 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour 50 minutes like that. ఓకేనా. అండ్ సాటర్డే అండ్ సండే, సాటర్డే సండే we're teaching the free classes. డైలీ 4 hours ఉంటాయి. మార్నింగ్ Saturday and Sunday we're providing like SaaS sessions, like free classes, and like classes are from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 10:30 to 12:30. సో ఇవి మ్యాండేటరీ కాదు, బట్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటే ఏంటంటే యూఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద మోర్ యాడ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ టు యువర్ రెజ్యూమే. సో దట్స్ ద రీజన్ ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ దీస్ క్లాసెస్ ఫర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ. Okay guys, and parallelly along with this we're providing a remote desktop connection. We're providing remote desktop connection. Just please mute. 1 second. Yeah guys, I'm getting some disturbance from okay. So, and coming to the point of we're providing like remote desktop connection is nothing but to call it as a server. మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కి సెపరేట్ సర్వర్ ఉంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్వర్? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the remote desktop connection. మనకి ప్రతి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లో లైక్ ప్రతి ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ లైక్ విండోస్ 10, విండోస్ 7, ప్రతి ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ లో మనకి ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది రిమోట్ డెస్క్టాప్ కనెక్షన్ అని. సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద రిమోట్ డెస్క్టాప్ కనెక్షన్. సో వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ లైక్ కంప్యూటర్ నేమ్ అండ్ parallelly యూజర్ నేమ్ అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్. So my username is SAS428. So just click on connect. I'm entering my password and just I'm clicking OK. Yeah, guys, this is the remote desktop connection. So what is the main use of the remote desktop connection is in the SaaS software. So SaaS, the latest version of the SaaS software is SaaS 9.4 only. Okay, the SaaS 9.4 was inbuilt installed in the server. మనకి సర్వర్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద స్టార్ట్ బటన్. SaaS 9.4 వర్షన్ ఇన్బిల్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా జస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో నా దగ్గర ల్యాప్టాప్ లేదు, లేదంటే నా ల్యాప్టాప్ స్లో, నా ల్యాప్టాప్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్, నో వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. సో జస్ట్ లైక్ రిమోట్ డెస్క్టాప్ కనెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, దీనికి ఇంటర్నెట్ వస్తే చాలు. నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. మీకు సెపరేట్ మీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇండివిజువల్ యూజర్. ఒకరి యూజర్ ఒకరికి సంబంధం ఉండదు. ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యావింగ్ ద ఇండివిజువల్ యూజర్. ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ బి యాక్సెస్ 24/7. మీకు 24/7 లైవ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఇది మీరు ఇప్పుడు కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ప్యారలల్ గా another my computer we are providing some notes materials also. Okay, like source data already told you, right? Like different types of data base files, right? CSV files, Excel files. So మనకి different types అన్ని ఉంటాయి. ఈ టైప్స్ కి ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ పర్పస్ కి సమ్ డేటా సెట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ నోట్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ వచ్చేసరికి శ్రీనివాస్ సార్, సో శ్రీనివాస్ సార్ నోట్స్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది ఫస్ట్ వన్. సో ఆ ఫ్యాకల్టీ నోట్స్ మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ మెటీరియల్స్, రిఫరెన్స్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఉంటాయి మీకు ఏదైనా టాపిక్ గురించి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు లైక్ ఇన్ డెప్త్ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ యూజ్ దట్ రిఫరెన్స్ మెటీరియల్స్. అండ్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ టాస్క్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఎనీబడి టేకింగ్ ద బ్యాంకింగ్ సాస్, వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ద బ్యాంకింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ హియర్. Okay, anybody taking the clinical project like SDTMs, Adams and Taylors, so దాని రిలేటెడ్ డేటా మొత్తం ఉంటుంది. అండ్ రెజ్యూమేస్, different domains, banking, clinical, healthcare, oil and gas like SDTMs and telecom, like we are providing different types of resumes here. And interview questions parallelly, interview questions ఉంటాయి, కంపెనీ వైజ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, జెన్పాక్ట్, క్యాప్ జెమిని, జెనెక్స్. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ మీకు ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మీకు యాక్సెస్ మీరు చూడొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అండ్ సర్టిఫికేషన్, ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్ టు రైట్ లైక్ SAS global certification, we are providing some dumps here. Okay, if you want to write an exam of the SAS certification, you can just open the dumps and you can just practice it. And SQL, we already discussing, right, like free classes, SQL, Unix, Linux and Excel like that. So those classes notes also available in the server. Okay guys, this is a briefly about that remote desktop connection. Just briefly about remote desktop connection. So the complete data మీకు ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నుంచి కంప్లీట్ డేటా విల్ బి అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ది సర్వర్. ఓకేనా, ఇది 24/7 యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది అప్ టు 1 year. 24/7 యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ప్యారలీ లైక్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ద హార్డ్ కాపీ మెటీరియల్ అనేది మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం ఫర్ ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ టు కమ్ టు హియర్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ కలెక్ట్ అట్ ఎనీ టైమ్. మార్నింగ్ 7 నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ 7 దాకా ఉంటుంది ఆఫీస్. అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు కమ్, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ కమ్ అండ్ కలెక్ట్. 7 AM to 7 PM ఉంటుంది. we're providing the hard copy for free. Okay guys, hard copy ఉంటుంది 7 AM to 7 PM మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా కలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. if you are unable to come, we'll send through an courier charges bear by you only. If anybody are unable to come to here, if you like at anywhere, not only in Hyderabad, at anywhere, we'll send through courier, no worry about that. Okay. And parallel software installation, like if anybody wants to like in the laptop in your mission, if you want the SAS software, we'll go to the SAS software installation also for free of cost. మీకు త్రూ లైక్ టీమ్ ఎనీ డెస్క్ అనే కొన్ని ఉంటాయి సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్, దాని త్రూ మీ సిస్టమ్ మేము యాక్సెస్ తీసుకొని విల్ డూ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, అండ్ ల్యాబ్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. మీరు లైక్ యాక్సెప్ట్ అండి, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఈ టైమింగ్స్లో మార్నింగ్ 7 AM to 7 PM, ఇఫ్ ఎనీ టైం మండే టు సాటర్డే మీరు ఎప్పుడు కావాలన్నప్పుడు వచ్చి ల్యాబ్ ఫెసిలిటీ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్.
Sir, can you please mention the lab facility timing once again?
7 AM to 7 PM only.
Monday to
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, Monday to Saturday.
Okay. Lab money, like practicing the software.
Already told you, we are providing the software installation with your mission, in your mission. Software installation will do in your mission, no worry.
No, I am asking that what is lab facility?
Lab facility means if anybody wants to come to here, like in your office timings, beyond your office timings, if you want to come to here into the office, like my office coach, if you want, you can just come and practice here if you want. Like a lab assistant is available here.
Okay, understood.
And parallelly, like we are providing in your group, we are creating one WhatsApp group for you, like for your batch, like 7 PM batch is there, right? We are creating one separate WhatsApp group for that, and we're adding like faculty and as well as lab assistant and some old students also we're adding in that group. So if you have any doubts, you can just share in that group. Okay, if anybody will give the response on that group. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can just place the picture or whatever it may be. Whatever you have any doubt, you can just place a message in that group. So everybody they'll come and resolve that doubt. Okay, so that's it. Understand? So this is about briefly about our institute benefits. So no one can't provide these all, like free classes and parallelly like free classes and a remote desktop connection, server connection, no one can't provide. And parallelly hard copy and software installation and lab facility, lab assistant facility, no one can provide. And parallelly course validity is 1 year. Course validity is 1 year. Now we are comfortable with online, right? Then after for a few days also you can come for the offline also, no worry. After that also you can just stop and start also, that's your wish. So course validity is 1 year. Whenever if you want you can just listen. Okay. So a few days if you want to listen online, no worry, and few days if you want to come for the offline, no worry. So everything is your choice only. So course validity is 1 year. Up to 1 year you can just listen n number of times, no worry about that. So this is the briefly about our institute benefits. And coming to the point of institute, our institute was established in 2008. Okay, guys, from the next March 21st. So we're having like 14th anniversary. Okay, so that's it. And as of now, here 2,500 members got placements from our institute from the past 13 years. Okay, guys.
Sir, online, offline, both facilities are available now if
Yes.
someone is trying
Yeah.
to get
No, no. Amount is the
course.
same for both online and offline.
Okay. And sir, but the thing is that I tried to contact, but whoever is picking up the call is there is a communication gap. So can you
Okay.
please provide a number who can give me
Yeah,
the
fine, fine, fine. But I'll
detail?
give you my number also right now.
Yeah.
If you want, you can just call me and I'll update you whatever you want.
Yes, please do that because
Yeah,
if there
fine.
is a communication gap and I cannot
Sure, sure,
get
sure.
the
No worry, no
details,
worry.
so it will be pretty difficult for me. Yeah.
Yeah, fine, fine. No worry. I'll talk with you. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, this is about our institute benefits and everything. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me once in this group only. Tell me, guys, anybody having any doubts? And parallelly, we're already giving problems to each and every student. Like we're providing like 3 to 4 classes for free of cost. Okay, 3 to 4 classes for free of cost only. So you can just listen the class up to Monday. No worry, Monday or Tuesday. You can just pay the fee by Wednesday only. Okay, up to Wednesday, we didn't ask anything. We'll ask the fee on Wednesday. So up to Monday, Tuesday also you can just listen the classes. No worry. Up to 3 to 4 classes, we are providing for free of cost to understand that what we are. Okay, then after only we'll charge. Yeah. Now you can just anybody have any doubts, you can just ask me.
Course duration
Yeah,
SAS based
coming
on
to the point of like
attendance.
a clinical SAS, it is a 5 months to 6 months. Okay,
SAS based on SAS advance.
based on yes, yes, good question. I'll explain here. So coming to the point of the SAS, who are taking the who are coming from the banking, who are taking the banking. So first one is base SAS, and the second one is advanced SAS, and third one is the project. Okay, base SAS is 2.5 months, like 2.5 months takes. Okay, and advanced SAS is 15 days, and the project is 15 days. Banking students. Okay, fees 25K. Banking student, banking SAS. Okay, guys, clear. And the next clinical SAS. Whom they are taking the clinical SAS? First one is base SAS, for both is the same. Base SAS, and second one is advanced SAS, and third one is project. Third one is project. Project are nothing but C disk. C disk project. In this project, we are explaining SDTMs and add-ons and TLFs. So we are providing these complete. So here in the clinical SAS, base SAS it takes like 2.5 months same. And advanced SAS is 15 days. And the next project is 2.5 months. So the complete course duration is for clinical SAS 5 to 6 months. So for this clinical SAS, we have to charge 35K. Understand, guys? So SAS classes will be done on Monday to Friday, and free classes what we are providing here, right? We are providing Monday to Friday to sorry, Saturday and Sunday. These free classes. Okay, And server access
So
also 1 year.
post-training job assistance will be there, like making
Yes,
the
yes, yes, yes,
resume and
yes. Wait,
placements.
I'll explain that also. Yeah, guys. After that, also we're providing like job assistance also. Like, how can we provide job assistance means where the openings are there, you can just share your details and parallelly we'll share their email IDs in our group. So if you want to like interested to apply there, you have to just open that mail and you can just send your resume like that. And parallelly, if anybody having any gap like 3 years, okay, if anybody having like 3 years gap like that, we are providing like some interview support also, like nothing but proxy in your language. Okay, and we are providing like experience certificates, documents, and everything. Experience documents and everything. We'll take care of that. And parallelly, after completion of your joining, we are providing like work support also for a few months up to your understanding that your work. Okay, guys, clear?
So I have one doubt, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And
So please
so I'll
drop
give you more
contact
references.
number for proper in details.
Yeah, fine, fine. I'll share it here right now. No worry.
So what about certificate?
Pardon? Please load. Your voice was not clear. Amulya.
What about certificate?
Uh, Still I didn't listen your voice. What about
Certificate, sir.
experience certificates? You want
Course completion certificate.
course completion certificate? We are providing for free of cost. How many months you want? We can provide the course completion certificate for free of cost.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Course completion certificate is free. For how many months you want? We will give you no issue. Like make any months, 1 month is like internship certificate also. We are providing for free of cost only. Internship also we are providing if you want.
Sir, regarding the fees, can we pay in installments or one go we
Yeah, you
have to
can
pay?
just talk with that. So, guys, a single payment, a single option is there. We didn't like do any bargaining like that here in our institute. We're having only two options: 35K and 32K. 35K is for installments and 32K is for at a time payment, single payment. 35K installment is 15K and 10K and 10K. Okay, and 32K is the single payment.
Sir, what will be the duration for 35K? Like the gap between 15K, 10K, and 10K?
1 month.
Okay, understood. Okay.
1 month, and then after you can just pay 1 month after you can pay. So hardly we got the 2 to 1 options time
So what
for
about
Okay.
installment.
SAS base and advance?
Pardon?
SAS base and advance fees, any installments?
Yeah. No, the base and advance, if you want anybody want to learn only base and advance, the fee will be 20. Only base and advance. Excluding with the project. If you, anybody wants to like take the banking project, the fee is 30, 10K extra for only for banking and clinical 20. So if you took the both at a time, for banking SaaS, we will provide 20 plus 10 equal 30. So we are providing for 25 and 20 plus 20 equal 40. So we are providing for 35 clinical SaaS. Clear?
Okay. So, sir, post course completion certificate and internship that will be free of cost.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And please drop the number.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fine, fine. I'll share you. I'll share you. Don't worry. So as of now, any doubts you can just please ask here. No worry, guys. Anybody has any doubts, you can just please ask me. So if
సార్
anybody,
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
if
లెటర్ కూడా
anybody
ప్రొవైడ్
wants,
చేస్తారా?
అర్థం
ఇన్
కాలేదండి.
కేస్
Rajesh, చెప్పండి.
ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లెటర్ కావాలంటే
Yes. Yeah, guys, and I'll explain that also. Like experience certificates will charge 15K. Okay, that will also no need to pay initially 1 rupee also. Once you are getting the offer letter only, you need to pay. Clear? Once you are getting the offer letter only, you need to pay that 15K. Before that, you won't charge anything.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
The base plus advance will cover CDs also.
Yes. Yes.
Plus
Yes.
20K fee.
Yes, including all. Clinical SaaS means including base, advance, and project. Banking SaaS means including base, advance, and banking project. If you want to
No,
take
sir.
individually, if you want to take like base and advance individually, banking SaaS individually, and clinical
Mhm.
project individually, like this is the fee. If you want only base and advance, 20K. If you want only banking project, 10K. If you want only clinical project, 20K. Like that
So
only.
Yeah, base and advance will not cover C disk.
Yes, will be covered in the CDs only. Clinical science means already discussed now. Clinical
No,
science
no,
means
this
is
20K
advanced
I'm
project
asking.
only.
No, sir, this 20K will cover C disk also.
No, no, no.
Oh,
This 20K is different only for project only.
okay.
This 20K is only for series project, clinical
Oh,
series project,
okay.
clinical project, nothing but okay. Only for project 20K is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, just hold on. One confusion. For clinical says the entire like days, advance and project for
Yes,
three, the total is 35K, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
And
if you
sir,
want to learn individually, like first initially, if you want to learn like basic and advanced, okay. Then after a few days, if you want to learn like clinical SAS, clinical project, so that will be the different.
uh-huh.
Yeah, that will be the different. So for initially, if you want to take only basic and advanced, that will be fee was 20. If you want separately, if you take that bank only clinical project, the fee will be 20. So coming to the point of 40, it will take.
Okay, so 40 is like okay, I understand your calculation
Yes,
point.
yes, fine.
And sir, like the job placements, is it only inside India or
Inside
abroad
only.
also?
Yeah, yeah, guys, good question. And we're providing the like we're having the consultancy also be there available at London and parallelly in US. So we're having the two consultancies over there, and we're having only two branches only, like London and parallelly US. So if anybody wants to like H1, also we'll provide here.
Okay, so if I want to switch location, I can take
Yes.
out this to. Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want like any information through, if you want to go through London also, we're providing. No issues. We're having the consultancy is there at London and parallel in US also we're having.
Understood, understood. Now, sir, the contact number.
Yeah, fine. I'll give you. Yeah, guys, anybody having any doubts?
సార్ మండే నుంచి క్లాసెస్ సేమ్ టైం అండి లేదంటే మార్నింగ్ సెషన్ ఏమైనా
Yeah,
ఉంటుందా?
Monday the class will be the same time only at 7 p.m. only sharp.
7 PM.
7 p.m. sharp. Okay,
ఓకే సార్.
7 p.m. sharp. You
How
can
about morning batch, sir?
pardon.
How about morning batch? Morning 7 o'clock class.
Actually we stopped that morning batch. Why? Because the faculty having the like another like a project is there. So that is the reason only we're stopping that morning 8 a.m. batch. It will resume after a few days. So now we're starting only 7 p.m. batch only. After a few days, we'll starting that 8 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, if you want to like any queries, so this is my contact number. You can just please call me. I'll tell you. Okay, this is my contact number.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you extend some timings because at 7 p.m. we can't able to reach my home. So if it is
Your
7,
voice is
between
not
7,
clear. Who is speaking? Chandrasekhar, right?
yeah, Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, actually 7 is not perfect time for me, sir, because I'll reach around 7:20 evening.
Yeah,
So
fine.
can you
No issues. So if you want, if you are okay with that, you can just switch to the morning batch.
morning batch also I left my home around 7 o'clock, sir, in the morning.
So that's what I am
7 is
saying. We'll update you. If anybody wants like only for morning batch, we'll update you the timing. No worry.
no, I need evening only, but 7:15 or 7:20 is fine for me.
7:20 is mine, so you have to become before only. So we don't have any option like 7:15, like 7:20. So we'll start sharp at 7 p.m. only.
7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah, 7 p.m. to 8:15 like that.
If in case any chance miss the class, whatever.
May I know who is speaking? Yeah. Guys, having anybody having any doubts, you can just call me this number. I'll update you. Okay?
Sir, if we miss any class means at the situation what should we do?
Pardon? Come again?
If
Yeah,
any
guys,
time
we're providing the notes in the server. If you want to like miss any classes, you can just check in the server. The server is available. If you want to miss any classes, you can just check the server. No worry.
so
Server
I
lo meek
think
what is the next class and what is the tomorrow's class? Okay, everything is available in the server. The same class, the same link from the Monday onwards. The tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have any classes, and you can just listen the classes from Monday onwards. Okay, Saturday and Sunday we are teaching the only free classes. Once you are joined here, after that only we are providing the free classes and the timings and everything. Okay.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you all.
Thank you.
You can just come on the like Monday at 7 p.m. We'll meet on that Monday. So Sar will take the class on Monday. Okay. Thank you.